check it out. Fully assembled. And check out the finish. All nice and red and glossy.
Oh my gosh.
Alright guys, so today I want to... Hey, what's so funny? Huh? You're funny.
Yeah, you're funny.
So I have been getting asked a lot on where I get these red Audi center cap. And to answer that, it's actually nothing special. I did not buy these from anywhere. These are actually just OEM center caps that I painted red myself. So in this video, I am going to make a video on how I painted my OEM center caps red. I actually have some that I need to paint anyways, and there's actually a lot that I need to paint, and there are actually 3 different styles of OEM center caps that I want to paint red. So I'm going to gather all that up and show you guys the 3 different types of center caps that I will be painting, and the type of paint and stuff that I use to paint my center cap red. Okay, so here is everything, well, mostly everything. So the 3 different types of center caps that I will be painting. See, here has a external chrome ring, this one doesn't, and then this style here. These are the painting materials that I use, both engine enamel clear and just a regular engine enamel red. See it there. And cardboard. Well, that won't be specific cardboard, but just for visual purposes, make sure you have cardboard too, because that's where you're going to be painting all of that stuff on. And also, not in this video right here, whatever you use to prep and clean the center caps off or before you start painting the center cap. All I'm gonna do and use is, just regular water and whatever and soap to clean off the center cap. So before you start painting, of course, you're gonna have to prep the center caps. So for this one, you gotta remove the outer ring and the Audi center logo. This one, just the center logo. This one, I'm gonna remove the outer ring and the center logo. The paint setup, I only have the color and the gloss and no primer because I feel like this is already good enough for paint and adhesion. The ones that I already painted, for example, that one and this one has been a few years already and it still looks really good. So I don't think it's it's really necessary to have primer and to primer these before painting. So the next thing I'm gonna do is show you guys how I remove the ring and the center logo on each of these individual different types of center caps. Okay guys, so before I get this video started, I just want to say, for those who have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below to help support my channel and follow the builds. Now, let's get started on these center caps. Alright guys, so let me start showing you guys how I took these apart. So these are the tools that I use, a pick tool, a small little flathead, and a little stubby flathead. So for this one here, pretty simple. So to be able to remove the ring, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs that you can press, but they are pretty easily to come off already. So you can just even press it on the side here and they should be able to come out. See that? So there's the ring, and then for the logo, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For those, you got to be very careful because those are pretty fragile. You just got to push it all equally and simultaneously, slowly, and then the rings will pop out. So let me go ahead and pop the ring out first real quick. All right, and now the ring is out. So let's move on to the next one. This one here, there's no outer ring, it's just the logo. This one's pretty simple too. There's just 4 little tabs that you can just press with the pick tool. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Once you press those out together simultaneously, the ring should be able to pop out. So let me go ahead and pop that one out real quick. So here's what it looks like with the ring out. Like I said, it's just 4 little tabs. I can see it on that side. Just push it out from the back. Okay, now for the last style of center caps that I have. There's 2 pieces that I want to remove to be able to paint this one. This outer ring here and the logo here. So I'm going to start with the logo first. All you got to do is push out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 of these tabs. Then the center logo should be able to come out. So let me start to push this center logo out first. Okay, so center logo is coming out now. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 tabs. Now let's check out the ring. The ring has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs. So you gotta pop out, and then the ring should be able to pop out. Just be careful on these guys because those guys are pretty tight. So just 5 tabs, and the ring should be able to come out. The ring on this guy is out. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs, and the ring is out. So now let me clean up all of these caps to prep for paint. So all I'm going to use is some brush, some soap, some water. Just wash and clean them very good before I start painting them. Alright guys, so it's all prepped and ready for paint. These guys masked off because I only want to paint the centers, and all of that just leave it exposed. Like I said, all I did was use a bucket of soap, water, and a brush to clean them off, let them dry, and now it's ready for paint. My paint procedure is 3 coats of color and 3 coats of clear. The first coat is always light for both color and clear, and the next 2 coats are medium coats. So let me go ahead and apply the first light coat of color and show you what it looks like for the first light color coat. Alright, so here's the first coat of light paint. Not that great, but it's okay. It just needs the adhesion backing for the rest of the paint. I also should have cleaned the tip of the spray can because it shot out some heavy shots in certain areas, but it should be good for now. So next thing to do is wait for 10 minutes and apply the second coat, which is going to be a medium coat. Okay, so here's the second medium coat. Hopefully the video is showing it really well, or can show it pretty good, but here's the second medium coat. So now, again, let it sit for another 10 minutes and apply the third coat, another medium coat. And just apply the last color coat. I think that is good for now for the color coat. Now, gotta wait 20 to 30 minutes and then I will apply the clear coat. So first light coat of clear coat applied. Gonna wait another 10 minutes and apply the second light coat of clear coat. Okay, second coat of clear has been applied. You can tell it's already coming out really good. So wait another 10 minutes and apply the last coat of medium coat of clear coat. All right guys, last coat of clear coat is applied and they are done. So the next thing to do is wait a couple of days for the paint to cure and then reassemble all of the chrome rings and Audi logo. So the next time you guys see this, it's going to be fully assembled with those chrome outer rings and the Audi logos. All right guys, a few days later and the paint is fully cured. Check it out. Fully assembled. And check out the finish. All nice and red and glossy. Now let's finish it off by installing them on a wheel. This one I got it off of the Q5. Okay, let's see if I can do this correctly. There we go. so much better. Let me know down below in the comments of what you think about these red center caps. So that's how I went about painting my center caps red. A lot of people has been asking me on Facebook and on all the other social media of where I get these red center caps from, and I'm just telling them, hey, they're just OEM caps that I painted red. So I just thought that I would make a video to possibly help anybody else out there to help them with if they want red center caps. All right, guys, so that's going to end this video here. If you guys have any further questions on how I did this, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel and comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow. Thanks, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.